What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dre and you're watching Major Waves. And in today's video I will be doing a Mask Monday on the Creme of Nature with Argon Oil from Morocco Intensive Conditioning Treatment. I have been using this deep conditioner for quite some time now and it is finally time for me to share it with you guys. I have already washed my hair, conditioned my hair and everything, so I'm not going to make this a very long video. We're just going to hop right into it. But first things first, make sure you guys hit that big red button, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with getting some product. And as you guys may know, I like to do the praying hands when I am applying most of my products. And then I go in and detangle. I'm just listening to some music. And I'm just gonna speed it up. And I was just really making sure that I had enough product distributed throughout my hair. I didn't really have a good wash day. I had a lot of detangling issues when I was in the shower, so I'm just really trying to make sure I have a lot of product in my hair before I go in and try to detangle. Yeah, I was really having a hard time detangling. I don't know. I'm not sure why my hair was so tangled, but when I was in the shower, I had problems detangling as well. And this is all the hair that I've lost with all that detangling. And I'm just gonna go in with some more product and to just really make sure that the center of my head is detangled because I have thick hair. I'm going to continue with some detangling. And now I'm going to go in with some grapeseed oil to just really give my hair some more moisture. Since it was detangled, I'm not really sure what was going on with that. But I'm just going to add some oil. And I'm going to really make sure, yeah, that oil sucked up into my hair. It's gone. And I'm just going to get the perimeter and to just really make sure like every strand of hair has some oil on it.
And I'm just gonna really make sure I get my ends because that's where I have my bleached. I'm just gonna put it up into this nice little man bun. And then I am going to dance a little bit more and get the cap. I usually sit underneath the dryer for 10 minutes. I am back, and I actually sat underneath the dryer for exactly 21 minutes and 42 seconds because I watched a Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson video. So, you know, that was pretty fun. But I wanted to read the claims and stuff before I, you know, I got into the results. But it says that it strengthens and pairs moisture and prevents hair breakage. I really like the fact that it has hydrolyzed wheat protein. That's very, very good for low porosity hair. I really like the smell of it too. It just works wonders. So let's see how it really soaked into my hair. Like I can really, oh, do you see the shine? What? The shine. Oh my God. It says for exotic shine, nourishment, and protection. Whoa. So I can really most definitely tell that my hair is like shiny. Like really, really shiny. It's really, really shiny. It feels really, really soft. And I just really feel that the products have really penetrated into my hair shaft. That's what I really, really like. And that's why I come back and I show you guys like my hair before I rinse it, because not all products, even though it should, not all products penetrate into my hair even though I sit underneath the dryer for as long as I do. So, ooh, I don't even really want to rinse this out. I kind of want to just wear it, like, you know. This is just this is bomb. Like I really don't even want to rinse this out of my hair. Whoa. You know what? I think I'm gonna keep it in because my hair looks really good. Like it's defined. Like, you know what I'm saying? I took the little thing out. Listen. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my hair like this. Just, you know, I got some little stuff to do around the house, do laundry, you know, it's laundry day or whatever. So I'm most definitely going to keep this in. And I'm just shook. I'm shocked. I've never even used it with grapeseed oil, but I feel like the grapeseed oil really, really like helped it. This is crazy. Yeah. This is. It smells. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this in just for a little bit, just, you know, for a little bit, and then I'll rinse it out. So I have finally rinsed out my hair, and the definition and the shine is still there, you guys. Like, I am absolutely loving the results. So the final thoughts on this product. Okay, obviously gets the major stamp of approval. Like, can you, like, come on now. Get the major stamp of approval. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners, and now you guys see why I love it so much. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Make sure you guys follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram at TheRealJMajor. And don't forget to hit that big red button and hit that bell so you can become part of the Major gang. You know, we're still growing and we're, you know, getting there. But, yeah.
Astro. Yeah, yeah.